Swimming right for that. Is that a pikey? Pikey or a big old? That's a pikey. You don't even know he's hooked yet, I don't think, or something. This is funny, guys. I'm glad I got this on video because this pike ate my sinker. He ate the sinker. He wasn't even hooked. He ate the sinker and just wouldn't let go of it. Right there he is. Still down there. Oh, there he goes. That pike must have been hungry, guys. He ate my sinker. Didn't even touch a drop shot. Well, there's no marks on the line.
I don't want a missile.
He says, the hell with that missile. I'm eating some damn lead. Maybe I should pull out my 45 and do some pike fishing. Well, that was cool to get on camera.